Are you boring? I ask these questions a lot of times myself. Am I too boring to fit in this group? Why won't my colleagues and classmates see me interesting? Why can't I impress people easily? Have to be lively and active all the time? If you feel these questions are relevant to you, I am here to help. So let's see a few things that can make you really interesting and help you do awesome in your personal life and your career life. So these are important things. So let's get started. The first thing, know the vibe. What do I mean by vibe? Let me explain. Let's say you are in a party. The fun, music, dance, that is all the party vibe. Everyone in the party have that similar kind of feelings and emotions. This is called a vibe. So every place has its own vibe. So now why we are talking about this vibe? First, try to understand the vibe, the emotion and the feeling that people have when they are in a place. So once after you know that, you have to talk with relevancy with the vibe. So just getting know things are not enough. You have to follow a relevancy to talk in that vibe. For example, if you go to a pub and talk about temples and devotional, people just not only see you boring, they hate you. So never ever do this kind of things. There is always a purpose and a place to talk about and discuss and share your feelings. So you have to understand that this is a basic step. And now with the second tip, start having small talks with your colleagues or classmates, people who are out of your comfort zone. You have to go and start small conversations. Start a conversation saying, hi, hello, how are you? How's your day? I hope you're doing good. Is there anything that I can help you with? These kind of things should be asked. So try to start having good conversations with people. Try to get habituated in a crowd. So that is an important thing. Start getting comfortable with your managers, lecturers, friends, teachers, and more importantly, strangers. This helps you a lot in your professional life. You might not notice now, but you are going to notice this very soon. If you are still studying, it's perfect time for you to start learning these kind of core aspects of building a network or trying to communicate with people very easily, how to start a conversation. These are very important. The third important tip is storytelling. Humans are wired in a specific way. Different people like different approaches and different way of communications. But storytelling is something really interesting and appealing for everyone. This skill is going to help you to grow as an individual in an awesome way. So you have to start learning storytelling. We all have our experiences. We all want to share our experiences with others. That's what we do when we are communicating with others. When you are free, when you are in a group, you have to share your feelings. You have to share your moments, right? So at this particular phase, there are two ways of sharing a story. So the first one is where you can't explain your feelings and emotions in a particular manner, so that will not be interesting to the one who is listening, even if the story is awesome. There is another way. If you are a good storyteller, even if the story is okay or it's not so interesting, you can make things really interesting and make yourself stand out in the crowd. So that is why we are talking about storytelling, and you have to start learning. Don't worry, I'm going to help you with a series of these kind of interesting life aspects, that where you have to grow and how you have to grow. So storytelling is an important part, and I'm going to make a video very soon. So stay tuned, guys. So now the fourth important tip, volunteer to help people. Both for professional life and personal life, having a good network is an important key. Start building your network in your initial times, right? Start helping people with small and simple tasks that you can do. And once you start helping people in your network, now or later the network is going to help you a lot in your life to a greater extent. You can't even imagine the things and miracles that can a network make. Start building a good network. People often say Network is your net worth. And yes, it's really that powerful in this modern world. If you want to climb up the ladder and reach your goals, you should be having network. Don't worry, I'm going to help you with each and every of these topics, but do subscribe to my channel first so that you get notified whenever I release that interesting content. So the fifth topic is improve yourself. Yes. See, forget about the people, forget about the society, forget about everything. You feel awesomely better if you are gradually improving yourself, right? Don't get stuck up with this normal and daily routine, doing things every day like casually. So, like, how to change this, how to break this thing? Try to be curious and exciting, try different things. Every now and then you have to start something new or the other. Don't just get stuck up in this normal routine life, right? Try to add some bit of fun and excitement and enjoyment in your life. Try to do things creatively and develop new hobbies every time. You are into music, you love music, try to buy a flute and learn it. If you are into interior decoration, go ahead, do it. You have to keep your life interesting. Don't just get stuck up in this entertainment world and try to fill all your empty time with entertainment all the time. That's not going to help you. That's going to make you far more dull and unexciting. So don't be boring, get interesting, try to do cool stuff. Try to do something real that you love. And few more important things, like stop replacing your experiences and learning with technology and entertainment. See, these things that what I explained you today is not only for being interesting or how not to be boring. These are life skills. They are going to help you personally and professionally to be a good individual, to be a successful man. If you want to help somebody with this interesting content, do share with them. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like it. If you have some questions or if you want to ask me something in person, you can DM me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is @pothireddy_Gautam. I'll mention the link in the description as well, so do message me. I'll be more than happy to help you. If this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Do follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. Links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more interesting content.